हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of international economics. Today topic is import quota. Import quota is protective device to restrict the supply of goods or services from abroad. Under an import quota, a fixed amount of commodity in value is allowed to be imported into the country during the specified period of time, usually a year. For this purpose, the government may issue an import license that it may sell either to importers at competitive price or just give it to importers on the basis of first come, first serve. Alternatively, the government may limit the value of import by providing the importers with a limited amount of foreign exchange for the purchase of a particular commodity to be imported by them. Import quotas aim at restricting and regulating imports in order to protect domestic industries from foreign competitors and to correct disequilibrium in the balance of payment. They are also used to retaliatory device. Objective of import quota. The following are objectives of import quota. First, objective of import quota is to protect domestic industry from foreign competitor by restricting imports, to correct and reverse balance of payment restricting imports, to control speculation in imports, to specialize and stabilize and maintain the internal device level by regulating imports, to save the country foreign exchange for importing essential raw materials, capital goods, and other important items. Next, objective of import quota is to discourage the import of luxury goods. Next, the strength a country bargaining on the basis of reciprocal trade agreements. Next, objective of import quota is to adopt retaliatory measure against the country to restrictive trade practices such as tariff and quotas. In next session, we will discuss about types of import quota. Thank you.